Hi guys, it's Judy and you're welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time of seeing me, I am Judy and I do a lot of DIYs and a lot of real Judy Gems like. Yeah, that's my life anyways. So welcome back to another episode of my channel. Oh, rather this episode. So in today's video, my sister is getting married. So we have this dress that we are supposed to wear for the both weddings she's supposed to have in the day. She's going to have a white wedding in the morning and she's going to have her trad wedding in the noon. So I have decided to change up the one attire we're going to wear for the both weddings, twist it up, give it a little bit of English look, then use the first look for the white wedding. Then after the white wedding, I take away the look I made and go on the normal dress, yeah, the way it should be, right? Then and that was my traditional outfit. So today you're gonna be seeing me do this DIY style. I'm gonna give a twist to this dress, and I hope it looks as awesome as I hope it is. Yeah, so let's get to the video right but now. And besides, shout out to my sister, congratulations, and I wish you happy is it work or life? Happy wed life or wedlock or whatever. Happy wedding and happy wed life. This is like wed life. Like seriously, it seems like wed life. Wedlock. Okay, so it's like this is my cousin. He's this Sube. Can't you see how his head looks like coconut shape? Like coconut shape. We are going there right now. So happy wed life to my sister. Oh, let me just say the ones I'm actually familiar with. Happy wed life. Okay, happy married life. Happy married life. This is Ogachuku. Ogachuku, bye. Move back so you can see the dress very well. So the reason for doing this DIY style is because I have to wear this dress for two weddings. Both weddings are for my sister. She's going to do her white wedding in the morning and she's going to do her traditional wedding in the noon. And the white wedding is actually English wedding anyways, everyone. So traditional wedding is Nigerian wedding. Trying to look for how to twist my traditional attire into a little bit of English wear. This is a traditional look I would go for on that day, and probably I'm supposed to tie a gele. That's a type of scarf we tie. So this dress, I'm going to turn it into, let's say, one dress, two styles. So I'm just going to give it another style so that I can wear the first style to the church wedding, then the second style to the church wedding. I don't know if I can even hear myself. Like seriously, I don't have a microphone here, but I wish you guys can hear me because I don't want to redo this. These are blue, she said royal blue petals, rose petals that I got from AliExpress. It's still in its packaging. I've not opened it, so I don't know how it looks like. I don't even know the quality, and I really wish the quality is going to be awesome because it arrived about a month ago, but I don't know, this is actually the first thing I've had patience to unbox. Like, I actually rip open my AliExpress orders. Not just AliExpress, every other order. Like, instantly, even before I get to my bedroom, it's open. So, I probably rip it open in my car. Sometimes in the postal office anyway. So, wow. This is the rose petals that I got from AliExpress. I am so happy that it matches with the color of the dress. I was very skeptical. I didn't know if it was deep blue, dark blue, lighter blue, you know, that kind of plenty shades of blue. So I'm thrilled it actually fits, and I'm so lucky. Everything I got off the internet for this project actually matches, and I'm so happy. I'm so thrilled. So this is it. So this is the nuts that we got for the project. I wanted it to have this net and in a detachable form, so that after the white wedding I can take it up and wear my normal dress for the other wedding. So this is the way to be. This way. So the idea in this whole thing is to stick the rose petals at the bottom part of this dress, of this net, and then put at the detachable clips, maybe hooks and all those stuff, to the other part of the upper part of the net and the dress, so I can just hook it on and wear it. So time to put the rose petals. This is the net stuff. I don't know if you're seeing it, because it's actually onto the floor because I don't have a table for this work. So this is the whole length of the net. Okay, this is the whole length of the net. So I'm going to add the rose petals onto the net. On this craft, I'm going to use this fabric glue, not 6,000 glue right now, the fabric glue, because I'm working with 2 fabrics, not stones, not crystals, not blah 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 plastics and all. So this is it, not shoes. Okay, so fabric glue to the rescue. I'm going to make it like a triangular form and like that. So I used glue, pour glue, stick upper, put glue, stick like that. So put glue, stick. Just go. Next. Jay, say hello.
Hello.
Okay, so our fabric is ready and I'm airing it to dry. I put it under the sun to dry it so the glue would not be so sticky or not sticky at all. Okay, this is done right now. So the next step is to find a way to attach this fabric rose petal thing to my dress so that I can be ready for the wedding tomorrow. So without further ado, that's Jason walking about. Jay, say hello. That's my son. So without further ado, let's find a way to attach it. I don't know. I was thinking of using a belt, but it's kind of going to be messy. So I think I'm going to go for hooks, like hook and I think that's what it's called, hooks. So I'm going to get some kind of hooks, like bra hooks. So yeah, so let me go get an old bra and cut it up and get the hooks out. Yeah. So I'm going to now use it as my hold to the dress under veil. I think there's a veil. I think this was I don't know what it's called, but to the thing that I'm doing for the dress. So I'm going to do a little bit of pleat thing on this net stuff. I just want to take away about 2 inches from the waist of this net thing, because I want the down to kind of come as like curve. I don't want to just go straight from down. I don't know how to explain it. Let me just do it and I will show you what I did, like to reduce the waist, and then the down is just gonna give me the total length of everything that I need. Yeah, I think so. I would get to it and then show you what I did. I added I held the material at some point, like a pleat thing at some point, so that it wouldn't be too large on the waist, and I would start to fold over. So I folded over right here before attaching. So that's what I did. Now time to put the hooks, baby. So the other hook, I have to wear my dress and put this on my dress and mark the places where the hooks are supposed to be, where it matches the hook on this net, so I don't have to kind of have a stuff that's not lapping properly, has to lap properly. So I need to get going. Getting late, like trying to say it's getting late. Oh, this is my village anyways. Yeah. I'm going to cover up the hook part with some petals and this crystal embellished thing. That's just to have it ready to work. I've done the petals, some petals. I'm going to continue now. I take some petals and like that, stitch it. After doing this, I might decide to use the glue and cover up on the stitches because it's kind of a little bit visible. Not very visible anyways, just a little bit. So I'll use some glue and paste on those petals to cover up the stitches, and boom, we have something. Yeah. Guys, I'm guessing you guys have seen the video. This is the end of the video. I hope you love what you saw. Just in case if you like what you saw, please do subscribe to my channel. Like seriously, subscribe to my channel. So I am wishing you guys a beautiful day or rather a beautiful night whenever you see this video. Yeah, I wish you anything beautiful. If you like what you saw, please give this video a thumbs up. Johnny Jams is out, and please don't forget to subscribe. Cause that will help me, and you know that. Kisses, baby. Kisses.